Now that we've talked about how to prep the vehicle, let's talk about the next step in the process, ceramic coating. Hey guys, another thing that people like to ask us is how long does this take us and how many guys do we use to do it? Each vehicle gets 2 certified technicians to prep and apply the ceramic coatings, and the process takes a full day to do, with curing going into the second day. So now that your vehicle's prepped, it's looking nice, it's looking shiny, the first thing you want to do is you want to use a ceramic prep. And what the ceramic prep does, we put so many different types of chemicals and products on your vehicle, we need to get those products off so we can get right down to their clear coat. And that's what the ceramic prep's going to do. You'll just put that in a regular spray bottle as you see right here. And what you'll do is you'll spray that on the vehicle and use any sort of microfiber towel that you have. You'll spray that all on the vehicle, wipe the vehicle completely down, and now we're right down to the clear coat. The next part of the process is we're ready to apply our ceramic. There's lots of different ceramics out there, spray ceramics, applicator pad ceramics. We use an applicator pad ceramic here. We find those to be the best. The spray ceramics are good for more maintenance and maintaining your vehicle, but you really want to use an applicator pad and a ceramic bottle to get the best look. So what you will do here is start with an applicator pad, apply the product as so, and then you want to use a 1 by 1 foot section or maybe a 2 by 2 foot section, but I do recommend doing a 1 by 1 foot section, letting it sit for about 20 or 30 seconds. What you'll start to see is you'll start to see a hazy look come into the ceramic, and once you see that hazy look, you want to wipe it down with a microfiber towel. You want to have multiple microfiber towels going, because what starts to happen is a lot of the residue from the ceramic coating starts to get on the microfiber, so you want to make sure that you're swapping those out regularly to get the best look. So you continue to do that throughout the vehicle. Once the vehicle is done, then you want to let it sit inside for at least a few hours. We recommend it being overnight too as well. But if you don't have maybe the time or the space for that, you definitely want to have it out of the sun, out of the elements for at least a couple of hours to make sure it's curing. Quantum is going to cure over a 24-hour period though, but it is safe to drive on the road after a few hours. But like I said, we like to keep it overnight just to make sure. The next part of the process that we have on the ceramic, now that it's done, is we want to maintain it. So every one of our ceramic coating packages comes with a 5-part maintenance kit. So what this maintenance kit has, it has a quantum enhancer, it has a soap, it has a leather and vinyl conditioner for your inside, an interior spot removal for the inside too as well, and also a fresh fragrance for you too. So each one of our ceramic coating packages comes with one of these too as well. And that's it. Your car is looking shiny and looking great for years to come. Thank you so much for tuning into our video. Please follow us on all social medias. Any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us on all social media platforms by phone or email. Have a great day.